that I auditioned for it, but Hansel sir never saw my audition. We actually discussed that it should not come across as if we are glorifying him, we are making him a hero. Harshad Mehta, when this character came to me, it's like I was always waiting for something like this. The easiest part of playing Harshad Mehta, I'm also Gujarati, so those that.
Welcome to Filmfare OTT Showcase, a special celebration in the event of our Flix Filmfare OTT Awards. And I'm in conversation with somebody who has drawn a lot of stares for his tremendous performance in Scam. I'm in conversation with Pratik Gandhi, theatre actor and now an actor for all seasons. Hi Pratik, how are you doing?
Hello, hi, how are you? Oh, this is the big honor for me.
Thank you so much. Pratik, my first question to you is what was your director's brief when you were offered this role?
So when I met Hansel sir for this particular character, he said that you have to gain weight for this. First thing, तुम बहुत पतले हो यार, तुमको थोड़ा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा वजन, पेट वेट बराबर से बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. He said okay, and then he said that we are not going to prepare so much that it becomes mechanical or it becomes something else. Though we are going to portray a biographical character, and a real life character which a lot of people know about. We are not going to mimic him. We are not going to be caricaturish about him. We will just humanize the character. So he said, do whatever you want to do as far as the characteristic is concerned. Just make it a part of your body so that nowhere it looks forced.
You said an interesting thing, humanize the character. What happens with a lot of biopics is humanize करते करते उसको glorify करते हैं. So did you and your director at any point have that challenge from, oh no, we are humanizing him too much, or we are glorifying, or we are making him a villain, vilifying him? Did you have that constant challenge to bring him back on track?
I guess we had this discussion initially when we were thinking that after reading the whole script, somewhere we actually discussed that it should not come across as if we are glorifying him, we are making him a hero. You know, at the same time, we never wanted to approach this character from a villain's perspective. That right from the beginning he was a bad guy or he was a villain. So I remember this discussion with Hansel sir that he is a man, common man, coming from a low middle class family, trying to make it big in the industry, which was very classist per se. There were few set of people who were governing that, and it was not allowed, not open for everybody. And Harshad was always, he was trying to make his space there. So a very genuine guy trying to achieve his dream, but then he could not stop himself beyond a point, when actually he could not see the dream of becoming greed. And when he started serving to greed, then to dream. So there, say he's a very, and in fact, look at the characteristics. He was a complete family man. He never used to drink. He never used to smoke. No bad habits. The only one passion that he had, which may be a bad habit also, is just to make it big, keep earning money by any ways. So we see such kind of people around us every day, where you can't point them out as black or white. They are gray. There's some decisions are very weird. That no, don't do this. Yeah, this is not done. But so in his mind, he was always right. That I'm not doing anything wrong. This is how system works, and I'm just being a part of the system. That was Harshad's take to the whole thing.
What was a challenge for you to play Harshad Mehta? And before playing him, what was your take? And after playing him, what was your take?
My challenge of playing Harshad Mehta first was this, that even after knowing everything about him, even after reading a lot of things about him on internet and everywhere, I was not supposed to be biased from my mind. That at one point, if I start, flashing devilish smile, or I start using those gestures, then suddenly it will make him villain. I was not supposed to do that. So I have to constantly make make him human. common banda hai. He's just a guy and he takes this kind of decisions. That's his flair. Another interesting challenge is that there are a lot of dialogues which are filmy in the whole series, right?
which
रिस्क है
are
तो इश्क है. फिल्मी मतलब वेरी वेरी फिल्मी लाइक 80s 90s की फिल्मों में जैसे हमने देखा सुने थे. हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है टाइप्स यू नो. Now if these dialogues are said in that form as dialogues, beyond a point it will, it won't go with the character and the overall look and feel of the series, is what we understood. So he said that even if he's saying these kind of lines, it should be his own vocabulary. That's how this guy talks.
and what is the easiest part of playing Harshad
The
Mehta?
easiest part of playing Harshad Mehta, I'm also Gujarati, so those, that I asked Ansal sir that is that one of the biggest reasons to cast me. He said no, that is one of the reasons to cast you. Okay.
Every actor comes with his own USP. Uh, and what do you think was your USP? It's a time when now, because of OTT space, you don't have to have a star persona or you don't have to be larger than life. Did that bother you at any time? Yaar, mujhe hero wali body chahiye. Yaar, did it any time, or your thoughts right from the beginning were the narrative only was different?
The narrative for this entire thing for me, myself, had always been that you become a character. I am not supposed to be seen as Pratik in everything that I do, otherwise, there is no fun. In fact, the better challenge for an actor, I feel, is that once you see me doing something, you should not see Pratik, you should see that character, and that character should be with you, so that I can create another character next time.
Anji.
Otherwise, because if I carry the same smile, same look, same walk, same shoulder position, same everything, then there is no fun. After 2-3 films, those who are clapping for me will start shouting at me, "Yeah, same cheez karte hain." So I have to create different characters using the whole body and mind. As I said, that each and every muscle should be at work. कि यहाँ पर ये character ऐसा है, तो उसका ये thought process. Where is he coming from? What is he doing? What kind of a character? Accordingly, I should be transforming myself. So I enjoy doing that all this while. So this was Harshad Mehta, when this character came to me, it's like I was always waiting for something like this to come.
Did you audition? How did you get the part?
Oh, that's the best part, that I auditioned for it, but Hansal sir never saw my audition.
Really?
He had watched my 2 Gujarati films earlier, Wrong Side Raju and AR, and he had watched one of my plays. So that worked for me in this case.
And do you find yourself challenged as an actor while doing theater or while doing cinema or while doing the OTT space?
I guess each and every format is different. So the challenge is when you switch amongst these 3 formats. Like I do this a lot, that I have a show at night. The whole day I'm shooting for something. At night I go and perform another play, and next day I'm shooting for something else. So that switch on, switch off actually is very challenging and very satisfying also as an actor.
Okay, it doesn't take a toll on you.
No, because I don't put mathematics in it. कि यहाँ पर ये करूंगा, यहाँ पर ये करूंगा. You just go and create that moment live. That's how it is supposed to be, is what I understand.
Who were your idols when you grew up? Who were the actors you really idolized and all that?
There is one huge confession, that I had not watched a lot of cinema. I had not watched world cinema, or for that matter even Hindi cinema. I have, but not that much. So, but जितना भी देखा था उसमें से Sanjeev Kumar I loved the most, with the ease that he used to perform, the flair, and to me, brilliant actor, but he was never a hero kind of a personality, And even after that, if somebody is making such a huge impact on you as an audience, then that's phenomenal.
So after Harshad Mehta, what is the next plum role that you're doing?
I'm just waiting for something big, interesting to come up. There are a lot of things that I'm reading, getting narrations of and all. Something should get finalized soon. But there's this one film that I did before Scam, which is Ravan Leela, which is ready to be released now. We're just waiting for the situation to get normal.
So here's wishing you many more standout performances like Scam, And here's wishing you a superb run in the movies, on stage, and on the OTT space. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.